So I have about like 10 odd questions for you, sir. Some of them are related to IEEE, some of them are just in general. So yeah, let's just begin. So the first question I have is that BITS Pilani is obviously one of India's like most premier institutes, right? And you graduated, like you went to that university like way back in 1960s. Like you completed a bachelor's, master's, and PhD from there. So can you tell us like how your experience was at that university like way back in 1960s?
BE 67, ME 1967, and PhD 1975. PhD
Yes.
part
Yes.
time while doing lecturing.
Okay. So
Because we are from a poor family, my father told me to earn because there was no money at home. So I used to send my half salary to home, half both of us were there, myself, my wife.
oh, that's
Salary
great.
was salary was 600 at that time, 300 home, 300 we were happy in Pilani. Pilani was not a big town. It is still not a big town, and so 300 was more than enough. And those 300 were like today's 30,000.
My
I'm
God.
talking about 1970.
That's right. That's right.
That's right.
That time 300 was a lot of money.
So the question is that, sir, how was your experience in a study
University.
with Pilani?
Well, it was very good. It is still better than any IIT. Why? I tell the reason. They have
Uh,
practice school, which no IIT, no NIT has. Because
yeah.
each medical college is associated with the hospital, so each engineering college must be associated with the industry. And
Yes.
Pilani
Yes.
is the only college in India where there is a practice school, where the student go for one semester to the industry with the faculty supervision. Faculty also travels with them. No IIT faculty will travel like that.
Right.
That's great,
Right. Sir.
sir.
And
That's
some of
great.
the private universities are very good, like your even SRM, Manipal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good. Those who don't get admissions in IIT, NIT, naturally they go there.
Yes.
But I
Yes,
have
sir.
seen people for a particular branch, they go to BITS or VIT, which is not available in that particular IIT.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
old IITs are okay, but new IITs are no way good. They are horrible. There are
Mm-hmm.
no campuses, no faculty.
Yes.
Yeah. And I completely agree that like for engineering, having practical experience, like you said, that is the most important thing. Just
Yes.
learning textbooks is not the answer. That's right. Uh, yeah. So let's move on to the next question. And like obviously, like you have had an like excellent academic experience. Like you were even the director at IIT Delhi at one point. So can you tell us like how you became so passionate about educating others? Like how did you get into this field and continue to be for such a long time now?
Because you have been into such institutions like Director of IIT and Vice Chancellor of Vellore. How
Yes,
this passion
VIT
how the
Vellore.
yes
And principal of VNIT.
VNIT as well. So how this passion for education, sir, for such a long time, and you have so much passion you got for the education. So what is the secret behind that?
So
So the
you see, right from beginning, when I was studying, I used to have blackboard in my room. So I used to
oh
teach the weaker students. So I had a
oh
passion
okay.
for teaching. And when you to teach, I never opted for anything which is not best. Like my own studies, I went to BITS Pilani. I could have very easily done my graduation in Nagpur, which was
Hmm.
same BRC. But I thought,
Right.
let me go to the best institute at that time in India. That was BITS Pilani. IITs were there, of course, and at that time there was no JE also. I could have very easily gone to any IIT, but I thought let me go to the best
Hmm.
institute, which is the at that time BITS Pilani. And similar,
Yes.
that's why I had a passion for teaching. I thought the teaching is an art; it's not a science; it's more of an art. So I had a passion for teaching. Patel Saab knows about it, of course, because he was
Yes.
my student at IIT Delhi,
Yes,
and
sir.
he has seen my lectures also. And my
Yes.
lectures
Yes.
are available on NPTEL. You can see those lectures also. Then you can call me in IIT Bombay. Aditya has promised me to give IEEE, somewhere some
Yes.
lecture
Yes.
is going to arrange. Then he will have the test what I'm saying.
Yes.
So that
Yes.
is that is why, and IIT that way there was no money problem. Even BITS Pilani had no GD Birla gave free hand to the director of BITS Pilani at that time, late Lakshmi Narayana. So we were
Hmm.
not having any funding problem. and and then we
Mm-hmm.
had a collaboration with MIT, the best institute at that time in the world. So MIT professors were also coming. So students were really very happy to get, that mentality is still there, the white people. So white professors
Mm-hmm.
were available there to teach us. So we were very
Yes.
happy, and they were also very happy because it is a jungle mein mangal, like like Rabindranath Tagore Shanti Niketan. So it was like
Yes.
that. It was not a big city, so it was a small city. There were no distraction. Nobody could go outside. Nothing was available there at that time. Now, of course, it is developed so much that it has become a city. But our time, 60s and 70s, nothing was there. Even we were
Yes.
getting the food without chilling. They were saying it's the sattvic bhojan, that is called, not
Yes.
tamtric
Yes.
bhojan. And
Yes.
no
Yes.
egg, nothing were available. Only vegetarian.
Mm-hmm.
That's why your thoughts were very good, sanskar were good.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
not saying that you should not eat non-veg. If you want non-veg, why not? I mean, I'm quite that way liberal. But our time,
Yes.
there were no chili available, no egg, no
Yes.
non-veg, nothing. And they used to say
Mm-hmm.
movie once a week, so that the students are getting entertained also. Then there was
Yes. Yes.
NCC, there was NSS, and there all those things were there. There is Saraswati temple is there in the Pilani campus. Those of you who have not seen, you can see on the website.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Best Saraswati temple in India. So that will
Yes.
give you, a lot of peace and lot of encouragement to work because the Vidya Devi is there right in the campus. So naturally,
Mm-hmm.
all were studying very. And we used to get up 4 a.m. All of us, all students, Brahma Muhurat.
Mm-hmm.
At that time, mind is fresh, mind is alert, 100% efficient, and you can do 5 minutes prayer, 5 minutes yoga, 10 minutes morning walk, and then study. I've written all my 63 books from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Because
Oh.
wife sleeping, children sleeping, no WhatsApp, no meetings, no director can call you, no head of department can call you. So you are writing the books. That's how I could write 63 books. Otherwise, it's not a joke. People are not willing to write even one book. I have been requesting Dr. Patel to write our
Yes.
stability book. I don't know
Yes.
when that will take place. But he is very
Yes.
busy person, of course. I know that. But still, I even now request him to,
Yes. Sir.
before
Yes.
I
Sir.
go up, our book should come.
Yes. Sir. Yes. Sir.
And now there is we are given the chapters also. What chapters will
Yes.
be there? We
Yes.
are
Yes.
written. Again, I will write to you if you want. And
Yes. Sir.
book should be better than Kimbar, should be better than Clary, should be better than Prabha Kundur. Prabha Kundur, unfortunately, is no more. So many
Mm-hmm.
good authors are gone. A.K. Sahani is not there. Seal Wadhwa is not there. G.K. Dubey
Mm-hmm.
is not there. And Professor
Mm-hmm.
Nagarati is not there. Kimbar not there. Kirchmer not there. All people gone. All good
Mm-hmm.
people. And it is a natural process. One who has come in this world has to go. And when time is not known. And this corona was a horrible time. And
Yes.
so
Sir. Yes.
many
Sir.
people, we lost so many ministers, even central
Yes.
ministers, so many
Yes. Sir.
players in the world, and so many sports fixtures were cancelled. IPL, somehow they are doing it in Dubai. I don't know whether you people watch IPL or not. Without
Yeah.
audience, there is no IPL.
Yes. 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 Sir.
Similarly, the French Open they have played without audience.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And Djokovic, that somehow it hit some lady empire or somebody, and he was poor fellow banned for a year or so. So anything can happen in these corona days. It's a very difficult times we are passing through. Everybody has to
Yes.
be
Sir.
inside, mask to 2 meter this, and then washing hands regularly after each
Yes. Sir.
2 hours. If you do
Yes. Sir.
that, then nothing will happen. No vaccine
Yeah.
is required.
Right. Right.
That's right.
Yes, any other Mule sir?
Yes,
Next
sir.
question, Muli Aditya.
So, next question is very simple, sir. So, I read that you visited abroad like almost 38 times. So, except our beautiful homeland, India, so
I have
which
been
country
to
did you like the most?
I have been to 39 countries, and every country was beautiful. And our Indians are doing very well there. And suppose I
Okay.
went to Australia, there were Keralites, there were Tamilians. I used to join them in their functions like Pongal, like Onam, like your Durga Puja in Bengalis. They were very happy to receive me. Sir, aap aaiye, you are from IIT and you give
Mm-hmm.
us the direction. So we used to eat the Indian food with the Indians. Then there was a Gopal restaurant, Hare Rama Hare Krishna.
Yes.
$2,
Yes.
you can eat as much as you want. That was the best restaurant I could find in
Yes. Yes.
Melbourne. Melbourne is the best city in the world for the last 10 years. Like Indore is the most cleaner city for the last 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
So is the
Mm-hmm.
Melbourne for the last 10 years in the whole world. and so is the New Zealand, best country in the world to settle. I've been to New
Right.
Zealand, and I request you people also to go to New Zealand. There is
New
the
Zealand.
Indo-New Zealand exchange program. Patel sir,
Okay.
they give
Yes, sir.
50,000 rupees, airfare, free stay,
Acha.
free food, and work with
Acha.
the Dr. Neville Watson of University of Canterbury, Christchurch. He is the best person. He's written 4 good books: HVDC,
Acha.
Power Quality,
Okay.
Power
Hmm.
System Harmonics, and DCAC system with
Yes, sir.
Arilaga. Arilaga was a Jew, wonderful person, wonderful professor.
Hmm.
I was
Hmm.
very lucky to work with him and see him and see work with the Neville Watson. So kindly do apply the coming summer to go
Yes,
to
sir.
New Zealand and
Yes.
go there, have a one IEEE paper and come back.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And Mule Saab is student or faculty?
He's a
First,
student.
I asked the student still.
He wants to
One day, inshallah, you
go
will become
abroad.
faculty.
Yes, sir.
And by your guidance, sir, he will also apply for New Zealand maybe.
Sure, sure. Why not? You can write my reference and you will immediately get it.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
That's great. That would be great. Yes.
Yeah, the next question for sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, so can you tell us a little bit about your title of the electrical professor which you got last year?
Electrical professor in your birthday,
Oh, birthday,
75th birthday.
75th birthday. आप तो आए
Yes,
थे, you were
sir.
there.
Yes, 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 yes.
I was
So,
very
I
happy
mean,
and totally moved. You see, the 54 PhD students I have produced, and at least
yes,
5 or 6 of them came. Others couldn't
yes,
come maybe because of the some problem. But those who came, they and the Pushpendra
yes,
managed everything. Patel Saab helped him a lot, and then
yes,
we
sir.
had a wonderful program. Director VNIT came as a chief guest, and Deputy Director Dr. Peshwe came also. And there were
Yes,
lectures by me, by them, and by one of these
right,
students, including Patel
right,
Saab.
sir.
And then we had a
Yes, sir.
wonderful lunch in a wonderful hotel. It was a
Right,
wonderful
right.
program. There is a, there is a film available on that. You can see that
Oh,
film.
या
okay.
तो सर आपका जो नाम है इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रोफेसर करके उसमें विकिपीडिया में है
जी जी
बाय बाय ऑन ओकेशन ऑफ 75th
to
बर्थडे
all these
so
students.
so how I mean what is the question Aditya how did you I like
सर
the
तो
name and
आपको ये नाम कैसे मिला? लाइक इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रोफेसर का नाम कैसे मिला आपको ये?
कैसे मिला आपको ये वाला नाम
Because of the so many books which students have read and the lectures I give in NTPL and in IIT Delhi, in Indore, in Nagpur, in even in Hyderabad, I have taught 2 years. There's JBIT College and MBSR Engineering College. Then VIT also I taught. So practically I taught everybody in India. Then I taught in Melbourne, RMIT 2 years. So
right
international students.
Okay.
So with a different accent, students were there. So I had to
Okay.
teach in Australian accent. So they were very happy. And they said,
oh
sir, you
nice
don't go. Even
nice
Pakistan people were very happy. I went to Lahore, Punjab Engineering College, Lahore. These
Okay.
5 colleges
अच्छा
were made by English people when they were in India. 5 were, one was Lahore, second was Pune, Government Engineering College, Pune, is still there. Third was Thompson Engineering College, Roorkee. Fourth was
right
Bengal Engineering College, Howrah. And fifth was Gindi Engineering College, Madras. So all these 5 colleges were started by English people to get engineers for them so that they can work for electricity, work for irrigation, work for road building. So they couldn't import people from England. They were not willing. Something like professors not willing to go to practice school.
yes
Similarly,
yes
those English people who are not willing to come to India. Oh, hot country, snakes are there, horrible people, hot people, no brain, nothing. Will not go to India. So they produced 5 engineering colleges which were useful to us, and those 5 engineering colleges still there. Roorkee is a Roorkee University, and sorry, IIT Roorkee. After becoming Roorkee University in 1949, it became IIT in 2003. Professor Patel knows about it.
yes
Then
yes
the Lahore Engineering College has now become a university. Similarly, COP Pune is the second best engineering college in Maharashtra after VNIT. Of course, I am not talking about IIT Bombay and VJTI. I am doing those two. And the others, rest of the Maharashtra, Pune is number one. Then
yes
similarly, Bengal Engineering College, Havda, where my student Abhijit Chakrabarti is there, who became a VC of Jadavpur University. Similarly, Ginti Engineering College is now Anna University. It's very good. So all these 5 colleges are excellent now, and they started the tradition of engineering colleges in India. When I went to Lahore, my lecture topic was how to make Lahore an IIT. There was a pin drop silence. I gave lecture for 1 hour. Then the VC there, Dr. Sohail Qureshi, asked me, sir, why don't you stay here? We'll give you 5 lakh rupees per month and we'll give you house, everything. I said, no, no, I have to go to India. My family is there. They're waiting for me. Whenever you want, I can come again. So I came back. Then I went to Bangladesh 3 times. BUET is a very good university. The Bangladesh lady
Right.
has been
Right.
now elected as a Region 10 president or something, of Dr.
Right.
Leila.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
Sir.
I voted for her. I don't know whether others voted or not. She got the second largest voting in the whole world. So BUET means Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology. Dr. Safur Rahman is from Bangladesh, who is everybody knows him. He is a IEEE again, a great giant. Similarly, there was Debnath, 2 Debnaths. They were also from Bangladesh. They did one Debnath did PhD under Dr. Billington, the reliability man who wrote a reliability book in 1970. So he is a Billington student. Currently, he is in Australia in Darwin. He's teaching there. And another Devnath is in Malaysia. He is working in Malaysia, Multimedia University, which is a very good university in Malaysia. The Hong Kong Polytechnic is very good, where S.N. Saran also went. S.N. Saran is my student. My student was S.C. Srivastava, and S.N. Saran is Srivastava's student. He was a VC of Gorakhpur University also. Now he's back to IIT Kanpur.
Right. Sir.
Similarly, in Singapore, there is the National University of Singapore and Nanyang University. Dr. L.C. Goyal is there, who is the editor of the Blue Journal, Electric Power System Research. So
Right.
we
Right.
can always go to all these countries. But Oman, Muscat is having a very good college. Then Dubai, BITS Pilani is there, and other campuses are also there. Similarly, Qatar, Doha, also good colleges. All these places, one I have been, and wonderful. Giving lecture was a great satisfaction. They were very happy, and they gave me a fare, coming, going, stay there, and some honorarium also. So each country is different. Each country has a different culture. So you learn different culture. I've been to Paris, University of Six, and since I know French and German, so I have no problem. So my request to all students is to learn 5 languages: regional language like your Maharashtra Marathi, then Hindi national language, English international language, then one southern language. Then I learned Tamil, Telugu both. Then one German and one French, so that you can work anywhere in the world. No unemployment problem. All students will
Yes.
get absorbed somewhere in the world. Half of Africa speaks French, so they can go to Africa. South Africa, R.C. Bansal was there in
Correct.
University of
Correct.
Pretoria. Now he is in Sharjah, maybe enjoying IPL. I don't know. He's a very good student.
Yes, sir.
Professor Patel knows about him,
Yes.
and he is there in now Sharjah. Similarly, Mohan Kole, another energy student, he is in Norway. He is wonderful. Vikas Pal, he is the head of department of Imperial College, London. So he is also very good. So our Indian students and our Indian professors, M.A. Pai, still they are working in Urbana Champaign, who wrote good books. He was originally in IIT Kanpur, then he left and go to USA. Similarly, M. Ramamurthy is in India. He is a Bhishma Pitama of power system. He is 80 plus. He has also written 2-3 books, including Power Electronics. And he was the chancellor of KL University, Vijayawada. Now he is settled in Hyderabad. So we are having so much good. He was my PhD examiner. Dr. T.S. M. Rao was my another examiner. T.S. M. Rao was in Roorkee. He has written a book on protection also. So you can see his book. So many good people have written so many good books.
Yes.
So my experiences were excellent in all these throughout the world. Of course, USA I went 6 times, Australia 10 times, New Zealand 1 time, South Korea 1 time, Japan 1 time. Japan, wonderful country. Everything good, everything costly also. But then when they are paying, there is no problem. When you have to pay, it's a great problem. So Japan is the main problem, and they give a machine so that whatever you speak, they will listen in Japanese. Whatever they will speak, I will listen in English. So that machine was very good, very handy, and there was a rice and curd everywhere because I'm pure vegetarian. I can't take even eggs. So for me, fruits were there, rice was there, curd was there, and of course, toast, butter, tea, coffee, juice, and cornflakes for breakfast. Everything I could manage everywhere in the world. So this is wrong that outside India you can't manage with vegetarian food. You can manage with vegetarian. Nothing
Right,
wrong.
sir.
And language is no issue. because everybody knows English practically, or
Right.
there is some such machine is there. So मुले
Mhm.
साहेब तुम्ही पण बाहेर जा फॉरेन कंट्री मध्ये.
नाही नाही सर, जायचंच आहे, प्लॅन आहे ऑलरेडी मास्टर्ससाठी.
बोला आणखी बोला.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. About
So,
IEEE, yeah.
yeah, now moving on to like IEEE. Uh, like even right now, आता काय बोलतो, मी तर इंजिनिअरिंग जेव्हा जॉईन केलं, so only after I joined engineering, I came to know about IEEE. I did not know before that. So
Yeah.
how did you become like? How did you get to know about IEEE, and how did you become a member?
IEEE being in IIT Delhi, you cannot escape but to have an IEEE. See, luckily IEEE means three departments: electrical, electronics, and computer. All three departments are connected with the IEEE. And IEEE is the biggest organization in the world. And my request to all students is to become a member of IEEE as a student member. The money is not much. And then all faculty should become member first. Then I will make
Hmm.
them senior member, and then I will try to do fellowship if they are I'm still around. I don't know how long I'll be there. So, but I am willing to help people in becoming senior member and fellows. Not many fellows are there in Maharashtra. Whatever are there because of IIT Bombay. In Vidarbha, I am the only fellow, whole Vidarbha. And
Yes,
Nagpur,
right.
there is no other fellow. So, fellowship is the highest recognition of your talent, your what you call expertise, your qualifications. I got in education area because I have been IT Delhi director, then VNIT director, and then vice chancellor. Then my 63 books, 54 projects, and because of the students, I got so many papers also. बट पटेल
Mhm.
साहब की वजह से कई पेपर आए हमारे सुटेबिलिटी में आए.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
these are all students' work, you know. You cannot do alone anything. Of course, books I have written. Then I still want to write a book with Mule Saab, with Patel Saab, if you are
Yes,
willing.
sir.
The
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
student
sir,
can
sure.
write a book, nothing wrong. Student can always co-author a book.
Correct.
I think we should write a book on the role of IEEE in India in enhancing EEE education. EEE means
Right, right.
electrical
It's
and
a good,
electronics.
good. Yes, a good
So that
topic.
is a good idea. Then we can write on what are the zones in India, what are the different sections, subsection.
The next question is like what in IEEE do you think has changed from the time you became a member till like now? Because in like now it must have changed a lot, right? What things do you have changed in IEEE since you have joined?
पटेल साहब बोलिए क्या बोल रहे हैं.
सर क्वेश्चन इज सर कि आप जब IEEE मेंबर बने उससे अब तक IEEE का जो जर्नी है आपके हिसाब से कैसे चेंज हुआ है जर्नी और IEEE का रोल सोसाइटी और इसके लिए स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हाउ डू
Well,
यू सी.
IEEE, especially if you read Spectrum, you come to know all sorts of advertisements throughout the world. So you can even I got that RMIT job because of Spectrum. So IEEE really plays a great role in your life in enhancing your capabilities, in knowing people. You come to know about various professors throughout the world. Then you read,
Right,
the papers. By that you know what is going on latest in your area. You read all
right,
types of review papers. I also
right.
wrote one review paper in 2005 on AGC along with my student, this what you call Ibrahim and Prabhat Kumar. Read that paper. That gives us idea how to write a review paper. And review
Right,
paper
sir.
writing is very important because each PhD thesis has one chapter review chapter. Similarly,
Hmm.
MTech thesis there is a review chapter. Review chapter tells you what else you can do. So if you take a student for PhD, he or she should know what else one can do in that topic, whether it is a smart grid, whether it is a power quality, harmonics, or voltage stability, whichever topic is it, renewable energy. Nowadays, renewable is coming in a big way. By 2050, we will have 150 gigawatt solar and 150 gigawatt wind. So it will be no thermal, no nuclear, some hydro, and rest will be your what you call renewable,
Right,
geothermal. I have a solar energy book in Taylor and Francis, wind energy book in Narusa, all renewable energy. Three books are there. One is Pentisol, two are New Age. So you can get those copies in your library, read them, and see what else you can do and how. And Mule Saab, let us write a book in Marathi also.
हाँ
Similarly,
सर,
पटेल
चालेल.
साहब ये हिंदी में लिखते हैं.
yes, sir.
छत्तीसगढ़ के काम आएगी,
Yes,
एमपी
sir.
के काम आएगी, राजस्थान,
Yes,
हरियाणा, यूपी, all Hindi heartland. And अभी
right, right.
polytechnic is still being taught in Hindi. So let us
Correct.
write a book in Hindi if you don't want to write
Hmm.
in English. That will be a great service to the country. ITI
Yes, sir.
people, Polytechnic people, and even BTech people who are coming from villages. Not everybody knows English.
Right, sir. Right.
That's right.
So Melissa will write in Marathi and you will write in Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir. So, sir, actually, you touched upon the topic in the past answer, but like usually students who are in the final year, they work on some interesting projects,
Yes.
especially engineers, and they do not know exactly how they can write a research paper on that project and publish it. So, because you have the experience, can you tell us like a short process of how it works?
For that, I will request you to have 1 hour webinar for all the students. I will tell them preparation of gate and the taking a project, how to take a project, how to do it, hardware, software, and how to write a paper and where to submit that paper. I will tell all those things in 1 hour webinar whenever you arrange. Even for
Yes.
IIT Bombay, I am willing to give that webinar.
Yes, sir.
Similarly,
Yes, sir.
NIT Raipur for Patel sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
because it
So,
will take time. It won't be explained in 5 minutes.
okay,
Yes, yes.
that's right. That's right. Uh, so, can you tell
Are you
us
going to
about?
are you
Yeah.
going to put this interview on Facebook?
No, sir. In the IEEE Bombay section newsletter.
Sir,
Okay, they will
actually,
read it.
we are publishing first issue, sir, and yours will be you are the first person to be
Okay,
interviewed for this.
right.
सर अभी तक उसका कोई न्यूज़लेटर था नहीं अभी तक सर मैं अभी चीफ हूँ उसका चेयर हूँ सर उसका
No, because
न्यूज़लेटर
the people will be benefited if you put it in Facebook.
yeah we'll do that sir also we'll put
Because
the
there is no
newsletter
harm. There is nothing secret about it. It's a good
yes
thing.
yes
Let the
yes
students know about it.
yes sir
Because you have asked very good questions, and I am able to. I don't know
yes sir
how satisfactorily I am
sir
replying.
actually this newsletter will be sir published online also and also with the social media this
Good, good.
newsletter yes sir
And I appreciate if you send me a copy of both.
Sure,
yes
sure.
sir sure we'll sir we want your photograph also sir
Okay.
maybe
Photograph you
for
can take
this
from Wikipedia. Famous
okay
photograph, Indore wala.
okay
Yes,
okay
sir.
sir
हाथ
okay
में कलम लेके साइन कर रहा हूँ ना मैं फाइल
हाँ
Yes,
पे
हाँ
sir.
वो अभी
Yes,
है
sir.
वो हाँ
वो
हाँ
है वो वाला डाल दीजिए
ठीक है
चलेगा sir.
या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आदित्य
Yeah, sir. So, can you tell us about some of the work you have done in IEEE and how you became a fellow in IEEE?
so I used to take part in the IEEE Delhi meetings. They included me there and I was a member. I didn't become anything beyond member because I was so too busy in my academics, writing books, guiding PhDs and doing administration like a deputy director, director, head of department. So whatever time I used to get, I used to attend all IEEE functions. I given lectures in IEEE. Then I went to Vellore. There I was again a member of IEEE Madras section and member I became in Delhi only
Okay.
very
yes
late.
yes
That's why I can't become a life fellow or something because I won't be able to. You see, this total should be 100. I think age plus the IEEE membership. That formula is there. So I don't know
mm-hmm.
when I'll be 100. So I became in 2000. So 20 years are over and my age is 76. So 76 plus 20 is 96. Maybe another 4 years I'll become life fellow. That is by
Mm-hmm.
time I become 80. So or maybe 78 because years are going increasing. That those years are also increasing. ITP
Mm.
years. So maybe
yes
total
yes
will be 100 in another 2 years, and I'll be able to become life fellow. See, ITP membership gives you a sense that you are electrical engineer and you have to do something for the society. That sort of
yes
feeling comes to you. So I used to encourage people, students, faculty to become member. Becoming member means then you are forced to join meeting, forced to attend the functions of IEEE, some whatever they arrange, like your
mm-hmm.
Engineers Day, 15
yes
September, or whatever, there is a Science Day. So many important days are there. So one can listen to good lectures and learn because you alone can't learn everything from books and from papers. You can learn
right
from lectures and others very easily. So that's how IEEE plays a human's service to the society. And
mm-hmm.
fellow, I thought I have done enough in the life, so I must apply to become fellow. So I did apply, and luckily there were 5, 6 people who supported me, including people from USA, one white people, and Bimal Bose, then Professor Ramamurthy, then there was one professor from Bangalore, ISC Bangalore. These were the 5, 6 people who supported my candidature, and they wrote very well. And because my CV was second to none, see, there is no Indian who is IT director, NIT director, and a vice chancellor, and one
Right.
who has written 63 books and 840 research papers, out of which 100 are in IEEE. So that was a wonderful, and so nobody could oppose it. There is a meeting in Canada for fellowship. In that meeting, some 100 people are there. Everybody is having your biodata. So nobody said, sir, his biodata is excellent. There is no point in wasting time on discussing his case. Let us give him. That's what Bimal Bose told me, and I was very happy
Yeah.
to listen to that. So that is how,
Yes.
And Patel साहब को भी मेरा aim है, before I go up, I want to make him fellow. आप
Yes,
सीनियर
sir.
मेंबर तो है ना सर?
हाँ, बिल्कुल
सीनियर मेंबर तो है
सर।
ना?
सीनियर
तो
मेंबर हूँ सर।
आपको फेलो बनाना है बस.
सीनियर मेंबर सर लास्ट 6 साल से हूँ मैं
वो
सीनियर
बस
मेंबर।
बहुत है. Now, whenever you feel like, we will try to make you apply for fellow.
यस सर।
वो एक दो बार नहीं बनते, तीसरे बार में बन जाते हैं.
अच्छा अच्छा
No
सर।
problem.
सर
Iteration, it
I'll
is
take
a
your guide.
iterative process.
Yes sir, I'll take your
They
guidance.
feel also happy. Oh, we are rejected. So
Yes
with rejection, human tendency. Rejection में
yes
भी वो लोग उनको अच्छा महसूस होता है.
yes 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 sir.
Yes, Aditya Babu.
Yes, sir.
बोला.
So now last question. Only one last question. So this is specifically like for student members from their perspective. So I've seen that many of my seniors who were student members, they do not retain their IT. वो छोड़ देते हैं IEEE after graduation. एक बार job को लगे नहीं तो education को आगे जाए, तो they do not continue to be an IEEE member. तो उनके लिए आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे कि like why they should
See,
continue?
my request to you people is to convince IEEE for Indian students the fee should be only 1,000 rupees, because it is not the money that matters. The more the people will become member, more 1,000 rupees. So that way more and more money will come. So the PV is equal to constant Boyle's law. P is low, V will be more. So more number of
Yes
students join, so more money will come. So I think somebody has to explain to the IEEE New York people that look, if you make it 1,000 for the India, the third world country, you'll get more money and more members. And then similarly,
yes
the faculty member, even when he leaves teaching, goes in industry, he or she can continue to be member, because he cannot cease to be an electric engineer or electronics engineer or computer engineer. He remains till death, whatever engineer he is. So why not till death IEEE membership? Similarly, for faculty, it can be 3,000. Now it is 6,000, which is not a small amount for an Indian professor. See, the
right
salary in the private colleges are very low as
yes
15,000 rupees. You can well
yes yes
understand in 15,000 rupees what he will eat, what he will give to his family, how the students will, his children will study. So let us make it a recommendation. Let this be the main point of this interview. Student 1,000
yes
rupees,
yes
faculty
yes
3,000.
yes sir.
And of course, those where the institute pays the money, let it be 6,000, whatever it is. There are some
Okay.
institutions who pay the money for the faculty, or faculty has the money available from their like NIT and IIT people. They get 3 lakh rupees per month or something like that for academic purposes. Some money is given to them. Then there is
Yes
no worry. Let NIT, IIT pay whatever they want. But since it is not possible to have two different things, so let it be continuously 3,000 and 1,000 if they agree.
right
Let us
right
try.
sir.
Let us
Right
try.
sir.
Hopefully
Right
they will
sir.
agree.
So very
Because
good
as I
sir.
said, more faculty can become members.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
And while taking interview for promotion, we should give some weightage if you are a member IEEE or senior member IEEE. That we have to tell to the directors and vice chancellor. I tell this, request this in every time in my all webinars. I speak in webinar for 5 minutes for students, 5 minutes for faculty, and 5 minutes for owners of the college or directors VC. I tell them, sir, give them some money to become IEEE member. So like that, I am trying my best, but through webinars. Or if you
Right.
call me to you IEEE function, I will speak there also. When the situation will be good, even Bombay, I have been telling the Surya, he is my student in IIT Delhi, to
Yeah.
call me to Bombay, and
He's
I'll give
he's
lecture to the whole Bombay people wherever they are. And
he's chair sir now. He's the chair of the section
his
now.
chair, if you tell him to invite me once the weather is
He
better.
he is the Bombay section chair sir.
Yeah.
Now
So you
heading
can
the
request him to invite me when the weather will be good. I'll go there and talk to all people there.
yes yes yes. सर एक्चुअली अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस फाइनेंशियल पार्ट, आदित्य का क्वेश्चन जो था ये था कि सर कि क्या रीजन है कि IEEE शुड बी कंटिन्यूड लाइफ लॉन्ग एज यू सेड.
No,
मतलब
one is the no, they are sort of lethargy. They don't remember that they have to pay. So
no no
I
no
pay
no no
immediately in October itself.
no no
Not
sir.
don't wait for January, February.
Sir, question is, sir, why people leave mostly? So, your advice for them to continue? What will be the specific reason for that they should continue?
The reason will be if they want to continue to be in touch with the world, what is going on
Yes,
in electron. It is not coming in Times of India or Hindustan Times. It will come
yes,
only in
yes,
IEEE journals and IEEE newsletters and
yes, yes.
IEEE Spectrum. So they should be
Hmm.
in touch with whatever work they are doing. They will be able to do better if they know what is going on in the world. There is a
Yes,
car with
yes,
the air. There is a car with the water. Bangalore Institute has produced that students.
yes,
That
yes.
information they won't get otherwise.
Right, right, right,
That's right.
So this is what
right.
we have to tell them, and you can write this in your newsletter that I have told like this.
Yeah,
So
yeah. We'll,
perhaps
we're
they
going to
will read it.
publish. Yes, sir. The reason for taking the interview, sir, that your advice will be really valuable for all the section as well as the members.
Sure, sure.
So we'll definitely put it in a record, and yes, sir.
Thank you to both of you for your
Thank you,
time
sir.
and for helping me in giving this my thoughts on various issues.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your time,
Talking,
actually.
talking to you is actually
Pleasure.
pleasure, pleasure, pleasure always.
A pleasure is all mine.
So same here. Yes, sir.
Okay.